everybody, and welcome back to Jazzy61. I'm Jazz. If you're new here, I do everything from motherhood to lifestyle, sometimes a little bit of beauty, kind of just depends on if I need to get my hair done or something like that. I hope you stick around. If you are new, I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4:30 Central Standard Time. And if you are one of my returners, hello guys, welcome back. I appreciate you so much. So today's video is kind of impromptu, you guys. I was not expecting it. My husband got off work today and he walks in and he says, "Let's go." And I'm like, "Where are we going?" And if he doesn't want to answer, he says yes. So of course that was his answer, yes. So we just get in the car, and of course, since we're in a new area, you guys, we don't know where we're going. So he's got the GPS going, and we're turning and we pull up at Best Buy. So my husband, I guess, has been hearing me talk about how I want to get better at editing and doing different things with my videos. And so he decides that today was the day that he was going to purchase me a laptop. Now I do have a laptop. It's just really old, you guys. I got it back in like 2010. So it kind of sort of works, but it's not that great. So my honey, who was just listening, my wonderful loving husband who was listening to me, actually ordered me a MacBook Air 2020. And it was kind of a shock because I wasn't really expecting it, but I'm glad he was listening. And he wanted me to have a great laptop for editing and doing anything else that I might want to do in the future. So he purchased me this laptop from Best Buy. And of course, Best Buy is interesting right now. They don't let anyone in the store. So you have to pull up to a curbside pickup and they run out whatever it is that you purchased. So we pulled up in about somewhere between 7 and 10 minutes. A guy comes and asks what we're looking for. My husband shows him the thing on his phone from when he purchased it, and he runs back out with my laptop. So I'm gonna unbox this thing for you guys and let you guys see everything about it, what's inside. Hopefully get it set up. I'm gonna have my husband come out here and help me set it up because he's the IT dude. He does everything computers. I am not great with them. As I used to say, I walk by them and they shut down. So I want to make sure that I set this up appropriately. So let's get into unboxing this bad boy. And I apologize for the background noise, you guys. My neighbor decided this was the great time to cut his grass. I feel like every time I start doing videos, people want to cut their grass. I don't know. It's only when I do sit down videos. When I'm moving around, it's like so quiet, and when I sit down, it's like everybody needs to. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get into this box and getting it open. So here is the laptop. I think he got it in like a rose gold color. He knows I like that. He knows it, you guys. Okay, so here is the box to the laptop. As I said, it is a MacBook Air. Excuse my little one, he's in there playing with his dad. It is a MacBook Air. So I'm gonna go ahead and figure out how to pop it open. Oh, there's a little flap. Okay, come on, flap. What do you do? I feel like I should put it down, but I want to show it like opening. Maybe I should put it down. I don't want to drop it. Okay. I'm going to do it from side to side, just spin it in a circle or a rectangle. Okay, the other side. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So here's what it looks like inside. This is plastic. It's actually over the laptop, but here's what it looks like. Just kind of hanging out in the box. I think this lifts it out actually. It does. Oh, it's a lot lighter than my old dinosaur of a laptop in my bedroom. So let's pop this paper off. Well, it's not paper, it's kind of plastic, but you guys, I don't want to mess it up. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so pretty. So here is the front of it. And here is the bottom. Before I open it, let's see what's in this box that they sent. So here's the inside of the box right underneath the, let's try that again. So here is the box underneath where the laptop sat. This is, it looks like the power cord for charging. And then under here, there's like a little, I don't know, it just says designed by Apple in California. And I guess it's like instructions maybe for the computer or something, or the laptop. I don't, you guys, I'm saying computer. I feel like I'm aging myself here. Oh cool, there's stickers. And they're cute little stickers. I don't know where I'm gonna put them, but they're cute. I'm gonna keep them. I'm gonna keep them. Is there anything else in here? What is this? Why is it so thick if there's nothing else back there? Okay. So that's what's in the little pouch. It just fell on the floor. Ooh, y'all, I just dropped it. Okay, you did. And underneath that is the little base, the charger base. That's what comes in the box. So now I am going to open this bad boy. And let's just kind of see what happens. It's so thin, you guys. I like how thin it is. You know, I feel like I can just slip this into like my bag or something and it'll fit. All right, let's pop it open. Slowly. Oh, that looks so cool. Oh, it's coming on. It's coming on. All right, it's coming on. Let me call my husband. I don't want to do something that I'm not supposed to do. But I do like the keyboard, you guys. I love that black on that rose gold color. I think that is so pretty. Uh-oh, no, there it is. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, okay, yeah, let me call my husband. All right, be back. You want to sit down? Come on. Oh, I can see you there. So now my husband is here. He's putting it together for me. You're too low. Okay guys, so we just got Siri set up and all of my other account stuff for it. He's still down here plugging away at it. Good. Good. There it is. Live at 5. Even though I don't think it's 5 anymore. What time is it? It's not 5 yet, but it's not 5 anymore. Oh, live at 6. That doesn't make the same sense, but it's cool. Honey's still setting it up. Here he comes. You want to say hi? So right now it is installing an update. So we're just waiting for it. I did go ahead and plug it in, or my husband plugged it in. So now we're just waiting for the update to finish. Okay guys, so my computer is still updating right now. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys some of the specs on the laptop itself, or the MacBook itself, while it's doing that. So let's get into the specs. So forgive me, I'm going to be reading off the box as I didn't know I'd be getting it. I didn't look anything up about it before buying it. My husband did all of that. So I'm going to tell you guys the specs off the back of the box here, just to kind of give you an idea of what is on here, because I've seen some of these have like super high storage and all kind of stuff. I don't think I have the highest storage on it, but I do think it has really good storage. My husband probably would have done that, seeing as to how I take a lot of videos, I upload a lot of pictures, everything like that. So here are the specs. So as I mentioned before, this is a 2020 MacBook Air in the color gold or rose gold. My husband said he spent just under $1,300 for it. It is a 13.3-inch screen with a LED black backlit display. Blacklit. It has 8 gigabytes of memory, 512 gigabyte, I guess is this storage? Yeah, storage. I don't know. It has a headphone jack. I thought I had some ear pods, but I'm not sure if I do, so I'll probably have to get some. You could do the headphone jack for that, or for like a stereo speakers. It's on the side here. I'll show it to you. A little circle port over there, as it's still updating. It does have Touch ID with the little finger scanning thing. I chose not to set it up right now because I don't know. I'm not that good with the technology just yet. I'm okay. I'm not that great. It also has a full backlit keyboard. So I'm just guessing, when it's dark and you touch it, the thing lights up on the keypad thing. Yeah. It has a Intel Core i5 with 6 megabytes L3 cache. Just reading off the box, guys. Of course, it has the Wi-Fi capability as well as Bluetooth capability. There is a FaceTime HD camera. It has a pre-installed Mac OS, and apparently it meets Energy Star requirements. Sounds nice. And it also has 2 Thunderbolt ports on the side, which is for like the fast charging and things like that. Apparently it's the same charger that's used with the iPhone 11, something like that, the newer ports for it. Right now I got it plugged in for the phone, for the phone. One of them plugged in right now to charge the laptop, as it is still doing, I guess, an update. So it does have that, and it says support for high-speed I/O and video out. I don't know what that means. So yeah, it's all the specs on the box. I don't know if there's anything else. So far, I'm liking it a lot more than my other laptop because it is really big. It is really heavy. I got it right before college, and it's a Republic of Gamers laptop, I think it's what's called. Back then, it was about $1,100. It's a really big laptop. It's like a 17-inch screen. It's really big, you guys. So it's heavy. It's kind of bulky. The battery messed up on it, so you have to keep it plugged in at all times or it dies. It's a lot going on with that laptop, you guys, that I had to figure out and fix. Good thing my husband does that type of stuff for a living, so he fixed it. But I'm glad that he loves me enough to invest in my dreams in my future by purchasing me a new laptop. So now we wait for it to finish updating and everything to be completely installed. I probably am going to leave it pretty basic until I figure out how to use it fully, because as I said, it's been a while, you guys, since I had a new laptop, and the last phone I had was an Apple. It was an iPhone, but we swapped to Samsung, I think it is. And so I haven't dealt with Mac or Apple in a while. So it should be pretty interesting. I'm excited because I do like Apple products. I like that they're sturdy and they're secure. So what I'm going to be doing, I think it's going to be great to have. So I'm excited to see what happens and to see, figure out how to use this bad boy, because it's about to be a learning curve, guys. So it is still updating. I'm going to put a clip in here at the end to show you guys what it looks like when it's all set up, the main screens and everything like that. I'm going to close the video out here though, so that we can get us something to eat, because it's getting kind of late. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to another of my videos. If you are new here and you like what you've been seeing on my channel, please, please, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and sometimes on Saturday. If I don't post on Friday, I don't like missing videos for you guys. I post them at 4:30 p.m. p.m. Central Standard Time. And again, I do everything from lifestyle, motherhood, and a little bit of beauty here and there. To my returners and my subscribers, hello guys. I really appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos. You guys are the absolute best. I am slowly climbing. I'm going to make my way to 1,000 soon, hopefully. Now I'm going to make my way to 1,000. Thank you guys for all of your support. Thank you guys for all of your love. I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.